Two Lives a Gem. There's Joe. It might seem like we are catching you in the middle of a ride, and that's because we are. We are on our way to Mount Pacifico. Excited? We're gonna camp up there, but we don't have any bags on our bikes. In fact, my sister Ale is going to bring everything in the car. She's gonna meet us up there, and we're gonna have a nice little camp out. Woo woo!
So what is it that you call what we're doing? We're not touring, really. We're not bike packing. We're
bike camping.
Bike camping. That's
is that the proper term? What would you call it? Leave it down here. Mount Pacifico is the mountain where Ale and I met Joe at the LA tourist race. If you missed that video, go check it out. So that's where we're gonna meet Ale today. Should be tons of fun, tons of elevation. Yay! Joe's pushing me! Woo-hoo! Okay, let me put this camera away. Shout out to our friend Doug. He is planning this crazy route at a much more epic level. And if you stay tuned, crazy style, yes. If you stay tuned, you'll get to see that video because we're definitely recording that video when it comes.
Both of us want what we want, but we don't know why.
So for today's adventure, we started out going up the 39 and turned on to Rincon Shortcut Road. That's going to take us all the way over to Red Box. From Red Box, we'll take the 2 until the turnoff for Mount Pacifico, and then we just have to make it to the top.
You are the captor, but I still want you, and you want me too. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like you do. No one else but you. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like I might not reply to your line, honey, out of spite tonight. But I give you what you like, how you like, every single time. Alright. I don't always wanna behave, I'm a pretty young thing like the king sang, baby, sorry if I let you in my brain, it's a dangerous game you don't wanna play, baby, but something about you I don't wanna fight, laying on your chest in the morning feels right, so I can tell you that I'm gonna try to make what's heavy feel light. Spend my days now chasing after your laughter, page by page I'm turning another chapter, my heart's brave, it's clear that you are the captor, clear that you are the captor. But I still want you, and you want me too. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like you do.
So Joe's going ahead of me right now. He's gonna go set up the drone, which gives me a little time to chill, take it a little easier. But shh, don't tell him.
Pieces of the puzzle, we were wanting something real and we found it with each other. Ever been with a rich girl, got a lot of cash. They know when they see it like designer on the bag. And I know I love heavy, but the chains on me like you be all up in my head by the end of the night. So baby, they don't give me like you do, trying to take on the world with just us two. I still want.
Starting to get a little toasty out here. It's 9:15 in the morning. We're about 18 miles in.
83 degrees.
83 degrees right now. And we still got, I don't know how many miles it's going to be, but a good number. Probably another 5 hours or so. Maybe a little less than that riding time. Once we get to the top of this ranking climb, we'll be up by like Monrovia Peak. From Monrovia Peak, we descend down to the West Fork campground. There's also another name for it because there's like 2 campgrounds that are kind of joined together. And we'll be able to get some water there. At the creek bed, we brought our filters. And then from there, we climb up to Red Box. And that'll be our last water stop for the day. Once we're at Red Box, we go down to 2, which is a little bit rolling, kind of rolling uphill, I guess. And then the climb up to Pacifico. So I don't know how many miles in total or what the climbing will be. We didn't calculate any of that, but I figure it'll be somewhere around a 6-hour day riding time. Maybe faster if Emma's feeling good, maybe slower if the heat comes.
What if you're feeling bad?
Huh? Oh no, I always feel good. Yeah, there's no question about that.
We're here under the shade. Oh wow! Look who I found! This is Troy, Doug. Remember your name again?
Sai.
Sai. We're all
The Sai.
the Sai. This is Doug. I was talking about him earlier. He's the one planning the crazy ride to Pacifico, the epic way up to Pacifico. Today we're just taking it chill. But nice to see you guys. They were smashing. They found us here on the side of the road dying. We've made it to the T. We're here on the top of Monrovia. He's leaking, having problems. So it looks like they're gonna go down to Monrovia. Joe and I will keep going up. And it's a nice day. Check this out.
No, you got 2 punctures. Yep.
Uh-oh.
Episode of candy ceiling.
Riveting. It's almost like exciting as watching paint dry. Yeah. Watching sealant dry.
Battery girl, you've got that kick.
Yeah.
You must believe when I'm feeling sick. I know myself get high on you. I'll be of you, battery
We are here at this dip right below West Fork campground, and we're filling up our water. So let me show you. How is it? Does it taste good? It looks so dirty.
No, it's good. Closer to the source, the better.
Joe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm wonderful now.
What are you doing? You're like a topo. You fill up your bottle and then voila!
You missed a spot. You missed a spot.
Your butt.
Damn, is that how you want our viewers to think that you treat me?
That's how you treat me.
No. The truth has come out. The truth has been revealed.
Oh, this water is so good. Can I just stay here?
Yeah, I'll come pick you up next week.
As long as you bring me food every day. You're gonna climb up 5,000 feet every day to bring me some food.
I don't know about that. Okay, enough. How many times do you need?
It just feels so good.
Just
Okay.
lay down in the road.
And then
And then I can jump
you'll
over you.
bunny hop over.
Yeah. Thumbs up if you want to see that.
Vámonos.
I only put filtered water on myself.
Don't.
Unfiltered shit.
Give me some.
Hold out from told, just to clear from danger. There's something there when I'm standing near her. All this electricity, enough to power New York City. Yeah. Battery girl, you've got that kick. You must believe when I'm feeling sick. I know myself get high.
We are about half a mile from Redbox, grinding our way up the last little bit. The weather today has been very interesting. It's been fluctuating so much. Like, you get on an exposed part of the climb and it's so hot, but then the wind blows really strong and it cools off really well. And then you get into a shady section and it's like actually feels really good. And then back into the heat and you just start burning up again. But overall it hasn't been too bad for a summer day.
I feel like it's actually the 2 is going to be really bad.
Yeah, the 2 will probably be pretty hot. And Mount Pacifico will probably be pretty hot. But at least we'll be done when we get to the top.
Box again, and guess what? I met this guy. What's your name?
Pedro.
This is Pedro, and he's the guy who offered me Coke on that video where I was cleaning my nose. Some nice runners right now offered us some Coke. I know, I had a little burger and I was like, that's not what I meant. They offered us some Coca-Cola, and we meet again. This time he didn't offer me Coke though.
But I still want you, and you want me too. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like you do. No one else but you. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like I might not reply to you lying.
So we're coming up the 2, and look who we found! To the rescue. Yeah, she had some water, some ginger beer, some smoothie. Oh yes. Are you ready to camp, Ale? Yes. Just turn left onto the road that's gonna take us to I don't know, there's like a 3 divider. What do they call it? 3 point?
No, it's
3 something. So it's paved right now, but eventually it'll turn into gravel. Yay, almost there. Woo.
Are we?
Not really. But yeah, like an hour.
Spine tonight, but I give you what you like, how you like every single time.
We just made it to the gravel road, and the views up here are so awesome. I have actually driven up this road, but I've never ridden up my bike, so super excited to be doing this on the bike.
So I can tell you that I'm gonna try to make what's heavy feel light. Spend my days now chasing after your laughter. Page by page, I'm turning another chapter. My heart's prey, it's clear that you are the captor. Clear that you are the captor. But I still want you, and you want me too. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like you do. No one else but you. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me.
Look, I'm about to get real blunt with it. I'm in love, way past having fun with it. Me and you are really perfect pieces of the puzzle. We were wanting something real and we found it with each other. Ever been with a rich girl? Got a lot of cash. They know when they see it like designer on the bag. And I know I love heavy, but the chains on me like you be all up in my head by the end of the night. So baby, they don't give me like you do. Trying to take on the world with just us two. I still want breakfast with you when we wake up. You know that your face is a flex with no makeup. I want trips around the globe through the desert in the snow. Top down, sun out, and we cruising out the road. Spend a lifetime together, great.
Okay, so now we just have to turn right onto this road, which will take us to Pacifico Campground, which is where we are staying. Ale is over there under the shade. Woo! Hey! What? I beat Joe, Ale. He's back there. You ready to have Joe drive the next section?
I feel like I can drive it if you guys wanted to climb it.
What'd you say?
I feel like I can drive it if you guys want to climb it. Do you?
I don't know. Last time we were screaming a lot, but I was the one driving then, so
We'll have to drive.
yeah. Maybe you can use his bike.
My feet are gonna be like here and the pedals over here.
Where is he? Joe, hurry up. There he is. There you are. Babe, are you gonna drive this section?
Suppose.
I beat you! Woohoo! Finally! No. This top section is definitely a little steeper, but it seems like they redid it because it's not as rocky as the time I drove it, so that's really good, but it's really sandy. Where's the cowbell? Oh, that was fun. How are you feeling? Tired. Tired? Yeah, but I'm ready to set up our camp, eat, drink a ton of water.
How long did you ride? Tell us all the specs.
Let's see. I rode 64 miles, almost 65, 64.8. I have 10,080 feet of climbing. And I rode for a total of 6.5 hours without stops.
That's really good.
Sorry, 651. Whoops. 651 hours, but our total time was 8 hours and 32.
Wow, you took some rests.
We took a lot of rests. We took some drone footage. You know, when we record, it usually takes a while. But 9.5 miles per hour. It's so bad.
Hey, that's good. It's a hot day too. All right, let's get out of the sun and let's chill. Woo! Joe, where's your dance?
Yeah, let's go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, roar.
That's on the bike.
Lifetime together, gray hair, grow old. They don't get it, never will, but all I know
But I
is
still want you, and you want me too. Why's it have to be so heavy?
While Ale and Joe set up the tents, I'm gonna go take a shower over here. We set up the shower, and as you can see, I am surrounded by these huge rocks, so I can get fully naked and no one will see me. But I won't show you that.
Why's it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me to you, and you want me to.
While I'm slaving away here making food for my husband and children. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, and look, Christian is here.
Hi, Christian.
Howdy.
What are you making, Gemma?
So we have some arroz blanco with some other kind of arroz. I don't even know what this is called. Oh, Hawaiian bowl. It has pineapple. Well, this is just the pack, but I made my own rice and I'm combining it with these packs. And I put a lata de frijoles, beans. And then we're gonna squeeze some more.
And some.
And some sriracha on top.
Yes.
Ooh, yeah.
You've got that